for sure lahat tayo merong mga kanya-kanyang favorites sa halo-halo ingredients. Sa akin, pinipig. Kasi yung pinipig rough siya and crispy. Parang nung trainee days natin, alam mo yung rough start, maraming challenges and uncertainties. But kailangan natin siyang pagdaanan. Because it's part of the journey.
Ako naman, you know my favorite? My favorite is sweet bean.
What?
Some people don't like it kasi it's hard on the outside, soft on the inside. But you know, it's okay kasi like in training, you have to go through the hardships and then just smile through it. That's how life is. You just smile through the pain.
Hulaan niyo ko ng favorite ko.
What?
Yung kasing sweet ko Ay,
Pinipig.
pinipig. Nakakatawa yung pinipig. Hindi, binatamis na saging or sweetened saba. Parang tayo lang din, girls. Hindi kompleto yung halo-halo kung walang saba, diba? Walo or wala.
Who's the missing piece?
Diba?
Walo or wala. Only 8 for the win. And of course, yung langka, nandito na siya sa loob. Di ko na makuha. Favorite ko rin siya kasi actually, maliit lang talaga na piece yung nilalagay na langka sa halo-halo. Pero alam niyo yun, girls, yung maliit na piece na yun, yun yung talagang nagmamatter. Parang Beanie and Team Beanie, yung mga little effort, mga small efforts, yun talaga yung nagmamatter.
Yeah, it's the smallest things that matter.
Effort.
Alright. Mine, my bias is the sago.
What nga? The sago. Yeah. Gustong-gusto ko to, guys. Di ba yung iba, kasi may malalaking sago, tapos may maliit. I like this one though. Pero it's like life. When we celebrate our wins, minsan malaki, minsan maliit. But we still celebrate them.
And naalala ko nung bata ako, try niyo bang mag-kuskus ng ice?
Yes!
Have you tried it?
Yes! We tried it.
Guys, hindi lang ito ang ice na meron tayo ngayon. We also have... Okay! Wait lang. Okay? Oh, kasama na.
Sige, gagawa natin ng move yawa.
Be, isa pa lang yun ah!
Patay!
Masaugat ka ba? Huwag mo
Now, we'll let it rest.
Parang bread.
Diba? Bang! Grabe! Hindi madali magkuskus. Like, kailangan mo talaga gumawa ng effort. Kailangan mo paghirapan para mabuo yung halo-halo. Just like us, Beanie, di ba? Pinaghirapan naman natin to, di ba? Don't cry.
Grabe naman yung emosyon mo. Bebe, alam mo ba kung ano pa yung isang importante? What? It's the gata.
Oh!
Yes. Alam nyo, with gatas, dun talaga mabe-blend together yung mga ingredients and yung lasa. Di ba parang yung journey lang natin. Kapag minix-mix mo talaga, ma-realize mo na, we're here. We're still here.
That's so hard.
Right? Saan?
Alam niyo ba ang cherry on top ng halo-halo?
Yeah!
Leche flan.
Yeah!
Pero alam niyo ba kung ano ang cherry on top natin, girls?
Ano?
Ang glue!
Yeah!
Siyempre, they are the reason why we are here, why we do this. Kaya, thank you so much, Glue.
Thank you.